Ever wondered how to make your garden more than just a collection of plants? Welcome to the world of garden art. This creative realm goes beyond traditional landscaping, infusing your garden with a unique personality. It's about adorning your outdoor space with sculptures and installations, elevating it from a simple green area to an enchanting visual spectacle. From whimsical to abstract, these art forms provide a dynamic element to any garden. Garden art, specifically sculptures and installations, can transform your outdoor space into a living gallery. From tiny figurines to towering statues, sculptures can make a dramatic statement in a garden. Imagine the charm of a traditional stone gnome nestled among the flowers, or the modern appeal of a sleek metal bird in flight. Sculptures can take many forms, each adding a unique touch to your outdoor space. Crafted from materials as diverse as stone, metal, and ceramic, these pieces of art enhance the beauty of a garden in their own unique way. The right sculpture can become a stunning focal point in your garden, creating an eye-catching feature that draws the viewer in. If you're looking for a way to add a unique touch to your garden, consider garden installations. These are not your typical sculptures, but rather design elements that are integrated into the landscape. They offer endless creative possibilities, from repurposed items transformed into art to purpose-built structures that serve a function. You can even use recycled materials, adding an eco-friendly twist to your outdoor space. Garden installations can bring an element of surprise and whimsy to your garden, making it truly one of a kind. So, have you been inspired to bring some artistic flair to your garden? We've explored the creative realm of garden art, from the solid presence of sculptures to the transformative power of installations. Infusing art into your garden not only enhances its visual appeal, but also provides a unique platform for personal expression. As you venture into this artistic journey, let your garden tell your story. Remember to give this video a like if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration. Happy gardening!